Hi, this is Jackie Kiadii, Microsoft Certified Trainer and Excel Specialist. Did you know that you can pull stock prices right into Microsoft Excel? This is a video I was going to do last week, but it slipped my mind and I was reminded of this when I was speaking to my business coach. So let me show you how it works. In this sheet, I just have a list of names of companies as I remember them. You don't even need to know the stock symbols. You highlight the column that has the list of names. You go to the data tab in your ribbon. In the data types group, click stocks. Wait a moment for it to pull the latest and greatest from the internet. And now it fills it in with the stock symbols. Your next step is to come up to the upper right hand corner and click the insert data box to see a list of all of the fields that you can bring into Excel. So with this highlighted, I'm going to start off and bring in my price and then the 52-week high and the 52-week low. Let me auto fit the column so you can see the data. And here you have it. If you need to refresh it, all you do is go back to the data tab in your ribbon, click the refresh all button. It goes out to the internet and collects the latest and greatest. Now, there are two things that you need. You do need to be connected to the internet in order for this to work. If you are not connected to the internet, you will not even see this part of your ribbon. And then the second thing is that this is a feature that's available with an Office 365 subscription. So you will need that as well. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, I would appreciate you making some comments down below. And as always, thank you for watching.